Hello, Fannin Middle School. This is your safety and procedures video for the library. You're going to be watching this video prior to coming into the library so that you know what to expect when you get here. All right, so the first thing is that your teacher, when you come, you will line up outside this door before you walk into the library. When you do, I will tell you which section you are going to be seating in. There will be 3 different sections. The first will be the collaborative area on the west side of the library. The second will be the collaborative area on the right side of the library. The third will be the independent reading station. So let's go in. On your first visit, it may be a little bit different than it was before, and that's okay. If I have told you that you are going to sit on the west side, that is the side on the left if you're facing the library. What you will notice is that in every section, there are signs that say, "Do not sit here." And that's what it means. Do not sit there. You are also not allowed to move furniture. I've done that specifically so that we don't have too much close contact, so that you should have some distance from your peers. There will be a total of 9 people in each section. If we need to add more, we can add chairs to the area. But when you first get in here, if I tell you that you're going to the west side, that is this collaborative area, you will come sit in a place that does not have a sign saying "Do not sit here." If I have told you to go to the east side of the library, which is the side that looks out into the commons, you will come over here. Again, the same setup. There are signs that say "Do not sit here." You are not to move the furniture. You sit in a place that does not have a sign. There will be a maximum of 9 people sitting at the tables in this area as well. And if we need more chairs, we can always pull them out. The third group of students will be told to sit in independent reading. And you'll see the chairs are set up and they're spaced out. Again, you do not move the furniture. The furniture stays. You sit in the furniture as it is. If you want to sit at the table, that's fine. You will notice again, there are signs at each table that say "Do not sit here." If you want to sit at the table, sit in one of the chairs that does not have a sign and do not move the furniture. Okay, now we're going to cover the maximum occupancy rule. For each section of the library, each genre, so this is graphic novels, you'll see the sign. This is maximum occupancy 4, which means no more than 4 people can be in this area browsing for books at any given time. No, it's not a perfect art, but it is what we're working with. You will notice maximum occupancy 2 on the shorter bookshelves. So if you're wanting to look at mystery fiction and there are already 2 friends looking in that section, you're going to have to choose to go somewhere else. Between the aisles, let's say you want to take a look at the picture books over here, or you want to come over here and look at this side, the adventure. Again, maximum occupancy in this section is 2. So if there are already 2 bodies here, you're going to have to find another section to look at. Again, on the other side here, 2, maximum occupancy. That's more action fiction. When you are ready to check out, you will come see myself or Miss Hernandez at the checkout station. You can see there is a plexiglass screen here. You are not to go behind that. You are going to hold your book up to the plexiglass screen like so, with the barcode facing the screen, and we will scan it from the other side. It does scan through that plexiglass. You will then take this book that I just scanned, and you will turn around. You will put this book on this bookshelf. The reason is that we have to quarantine books for 24 hours. We will not touch your books. It's a no-touch policy. So you will hold it up to be scanned. Any book you're turning in, you will put on this. Now, obviously, if it's a book you're checking out of the library, you will hold it up to be scanned, and then you will take it back to your independent reading spot or put it in your backpack if you've already been there for the day. All right, hopefully this clears some things up. However, when you come to the library, there will be some time for Q&A, question and answer. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all and seeing you soon. Until then, I am wishing you well.